Hello, this is George Beyrouthi from FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. Well, I'd like you to join me for a webinar where I'm going to really show you a real case study on an options trade we took on the 25th of January on one of our banks here in Australia. It's actually an options trade, and it's actually called the Iron Condor strategy, which of course you'll understand how that works when you are in a position in the market where you don't care if the market goes up or down, you receive a premium, and provided that particular stock or the trade that you have taken stays within a range, you receive a premium that will turn hopefully into a profit. The day is Thursday, February the 14th at 6 p.m. Queensland time. And I'm going to take you step by step by the Commonwealth Bank options trade, which we started to trade 3 weeks ago, and eventually it will close on Thursday when the webinar will be held in the evening. Well, the objective is to show you the benefits of trading options, and of course every trade can have some profit and loss. The question here, if a particular strategy doesn't work your way, is there a way that you can mitigate the position and turn a loss into a profit? Well, of course, I'm going to show you by taking you through the chart. We're going to understand the direction that CBA may take, and provided it can go up or down, but we want it to stay within a range. And of course, with options, there are many options strategies you can take. Well, which strategy is the right one? Of course, that particular webinar will offer you opportunities to ask questions, and of course it will be a live answers to your questions. Well, once again, these are the dates and the time, and if you want to register, all you have to do is click on that particular line in red, and that will take you to the registration form. We need your details, and then you'll actually be able to enter the session on Thursday evening. If you have any questions, of course, you can always write to me, george@fssecurities.com.au, or you can contact me on my mobile. If you're ringing from overseas, you put 61 first, you don't use the 0, and it's 411-259526. Well, I look forward to seeing you on Thursday evening. Take care and all the best for you.